Join us in the pinnacle competitions of the forestry industry. The strongest, fastest, and most massive machines will enter a fierce battle to compete for the logging throne. This is not only a competition of performance, but also a display of technological power that pushes the limits. Who will be the ruler of the green forest? Let's wait and see this climactic battle. All around are steep slopes, giant granite rocks, and vast forests, where 200-foot-tall trees fall, leaving a huge mark on nature. Join us as we witness the amazing spectacle of a giant pine being brought down in the Sierra National Forest, 7,000 feet high, just south of the Yosemite Wilderness. The group of lumberjacks lived separately, staying in tent camps for many months, only returning home for a few weeks during the tree-cutting season. Imagine a great wood chipper that can handle any task you throw at it, the Pilato PTH1 1200/1100M. This machine operates on rails, features a remote-controlled chopping drum, and an impressive 796 horsepower Volvo engine. The highlight is that there are no cranes or hydraulic fans, optimizing the power of the shredding drum, creating smooth and uniform shreds. Discover the power of Woodcracker C450 and CS780 in tree care at Baumflage-Gebel. Click like to experience the impressive performance and versatility of these machines to enhance the quality of your work. The journey to conquer Big Lonely Doe, the second largest Douglas fir in Canada, attracts climbing enthusiasts equipped with ropes and specialized tools. As they stood atop the giant 66.5-meter-tall tree, they felt the power of nature and saw the beautiful view of the primeval forest below. Although the 24.8 DF chain and Woody W H61 cutting head are weak, they achieve impressive performance, breaking stereotypes about Chinese excavators. With a comprehensive protection package and an automatic fire suppression system that activates in 5 seconds, the device reduces risk by 80%, increases efficiency by 30%, and has a durability of over 10,000 working hours, a testament to its capabilities. Oh my God! A giant tree stump 1.5 meters in diameter is meeting a powerful wood chipping machine. I imagined it chewing through wood like butter, while people diligently turned it into mulch, proving sustainable forestry in action. It's a pity that many people just want to burn it all. Although it takes 30% more time, this method is much better for the long-term health of the forest. Imagine making tough lumbering jobs easy. That's the promise of the W1000 wood chipper. With outstanding durability, versatility, and user-friendliness, and sturdy steel construction, the W1000 delivers greater performance and minimizes friction. This is truly a win-win. In the virgin forests of Appalachian National Park, misty tree canopies create a mystical atmosphere. This mission was carried out on the second and third days when Dottie, an experienced wooden horse, appeared to assist with transport. Dottie pulls large logs out of the forest without damaging the soil, contributing to forest recovery. Listen guys, stump removal is easier than ever with the Savannah 1720 stump puller, a true beast. It pulled out the stump without any difficulty. When combined with a Savannah rotary rake, you can clear 20 to 40 acres of land in just one day. It's crazy. This mission is the future of land clearing. Appearing and working amidst the majestic scenery of the snowy forest, the Scania R580 V8 6X4 wood truck rolls smoothly on the trails. Driven by a professional team from Marcus Janssen Biober and Soleil B, the car approached the tall pine trees, stretching out amidst the white snow. When the wood is loaded, the Volvo L180G high lift is waiting to lift the heavy blocks of wood. Combined with the Epsilon Palfinger M12Z crane and Gripen 50 clamp, all operations take place smoothly, creating harmony between mechanical power and natural beauty. The tree stump chipper made specifically by Sunrise, excavating for one operator, is capable of processing up to 30 tree stumps per hour. To meet this work demand, operators receive a remuneration of about $20 per tree stump, and the chopped wood is then sold to cogeneration plants, providing about 4,500 Q of renewable energy for per ton of wood, contributing to the development of clean energy. Looking for the ideal solution in professional landscape maintenance? Cannot help but mention WOODCRACKER Clone 190. Featured by the smallest cutting head in the C-Series, capable of handling trees up to 25 km in diameter, helping to increase harvest speed by up to 30% compared to previous models. On a peaceful Sunday morning in Bregenzerwald, Wood cutting activity is in full swing with the WALK Kegelspalter PRO 300X wood chipper. Mounted on a mobile console to the harvest truck, the device quickly processes large logs, turning them into small pieces perfect for later use. With its sophisticated design and impressive wood-breaking ability, it creates a comfortable feeling to help the operator work effectively. Oh my God! I really admire this logging truck because it refuses to give in to the test of nature. Amidst the smoke and the crackling sound of burning wood, the woodsman wearing protective gear, holding a 50cz gasoline saw, approached the base of a tree about 20 meters high that was attacked by fire. With determination, he started the machine. The saw blade cut into the tree trunk. Pieces of wood flew out, demonstrating the strong vitality of nature and the need for safety at work. Within minutes, he completed the cleanup, helping to reduce the risk of wildfires. With advanced rigging techniques, he delicately adjusts the cables, helping to lower the tree safely and accurately, minimizing risks to both the project and himself. The LKT-81, with its compact design and 17 length, moves flexibly among dense forests. Despite its small appearance, it still packs impressive strength, easily lifting and moving long, heavy logs out of the work area. The dramatic face-off took place as the beefy-style MS-660 quickly cut 3 passes through the 18-inch tree trunk, while the slower MS-181 only completed halfway through the first cut, highlighting the disparity in power. If you are having a headache dealing with stubborn tree stumps in your garden, Ryan's Equipment Stump Grinder is the ideal solution to meet your needs. The image of the Valtra tractor moving confidently in the wet conditions of the forest demonstrates its outstanding strength in logging. With 4-wheel drive and balanced weight, it easily moves through mud and is equipped with specialized tools to quickly lift and transport large logs, creating a lively space in the middle of nature. It's great to see that guy working together to ensure everyone's safety and health. Their professionalism was incredibly inspiring, making me realize that even felling trees requires skill and respect for nature. We must always consider our impact on the environment, because every action leaves its mark. We underestimated the work on this white oak tree, causing the completion time to take longer than expected, creating a lot of disappointment. Luckily though, the spacious drop zone allows us to handle large branches and tops a little more easily. Sustainable existence. So they are cutting down trees, regardless of their health, a confrontation with nature, where every cut of the saw requires courage.